Makena, you ignored my orders!
Gulp. Scribble Scrubbie Pets. Ooh, my new comedy show is ready to go! It's bold, original.
Original? Listen, Makena, I don't want to see any weird creativity out there. I want a plain, ordinary show, just like my favorite food, lettuce.
What?
No buts! I'm the head of this studio, and what I say goes.
Remember, the boss is coming over for dinner tonight.
And I'm early.
And I burned the nut roast.
You love it. Wait till they see what's coming next.
Why are we suddenly in a big city cafe? This is getting too weird.
Presenting my newest coffee creation, the Makena Mochaccino!
This isn't coffee, it's mustard.
And this isn't a coffee shop, it's an office Christmas party! Cha-cha-cha!
What are you doing, Makena? I said I wanted plain, ordinary lettuce TV.
Right, like a space hospital with...
No hospitals, nothing in space. Just set the whole thing in a lettuce. I mean office.
What's behind this door? It's... the photocopy room, just like the sign says.
Oh.
Just kidding! It's actually a secret hospital room in space! Your funny bone needs 2 cc's of custard pie.
Makena, you ignored my orders.
Gulp.
And I couldn't be more thrilled! Your show is testing through the roof! What a great idea of mine to pack it with so many goofy ideas! Terrific!
A snake!
Ah! Or a pineapple. That gives you homework.
Scribble Scrubbie Pets!
Okay, everyone. Today we're making a super scary monster movie. Seaside Nightmare Revenge of the Sea. Any questions before we start?
Yes! Does anyone else's ice cream taste like fur? Oh, that's my new hairdo! Needs sprinkles.
Vamos, everyone. Let's get into costume.
Time for a nice, refreshing swim.
See? Haven't you heard? They say a terrifying creature lurks in the deep.
I'm pretty sure they'd warn us if there was a monster in the sea. sorry. I know I'm supposed to be scared, but that is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Wait. I forgot to do my monster eyes.
Maybe try another costume?
I've got just the thing. Tremble before the vampire queen. Better?
Don't worry, Peach. When I want to play a scary character, I think of something that I'm afraid of. Like a snake. Or a pineapple. That gives you homework.
What's the use? I'm just not scary.
Tell me about it.
A narwhal? You're like a real-life sea monster. Do you want to be the star of a scary movie?
I'm afraid being scary isn't really my thing.
Wow, I see what you mean. You know what? Being scary isn't my thing either. Everyone, change of plan. Say goodbye to Seaside Nightmare and say hello to Seaside Super Rainbow Party. Now we can have some ice cream.
I just think you need some strawberry sauce. Come Okay, everybody, let's get dancing. Ballroom. Polka. New age funk. Clog dancing. Scribble Scrubbie Pets. Everyone can dance but me. It's not fair. Just because I'm a bird doesn't mean I expect everyone to fly or have a beak or have claws or fly or have claws or have a beak or... Where was I?
All right, rehearsal's over, guys. Time to shoot the ballet scene.
Beep! Wait, if the dance scene never begins, then no one will find out that I don't know how to dance. Oh, you are a clever bird, Makena.
That's some fine maniacal laughter, Makena.
Thanks. I've been practicing.
Vamos! Everybody into costumes. What's wrong, Makena?
I was thinking, there's like 1 billion movies about ballet, right? We should do a movie about, square dancing.
Square dancing?
Trust me, guys, it's the new thing. I read about it in the latest issue of Dancing magazine. That does sound like a real magazine. Doesn't it? Now come on, people, into your cowboy costumes.
Here we go. Action!
Cut!
Yes, Makena?
Is it just me or is square dancing totally over?
You just said it was the new thing.
That was moments ago. The even newer thing is hip-hop. Well, I do have a hip-hop routine all worked out. Look, Makena, there's even a special part for you. Oh, come on. Okay, everybody, let's get dancing. Ballroom.
Cut. Okay, guys. Now, stop me if I'm wrong, but I think at some point we should film some actual dance scenes for our dance movie.
I don't know how to dance.
Oh, that's okay, Makena. Your moves don't have to be perfect. Just have fun with it. Be loose. Go with the flow.
You think so?
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, this is fun! That's the spirit.
Hit the dance floor, everyone.
I love dancing!
Scribble Scrubbie Pets.
Great job, my trusty steed. How's about a carrot? It's Squeaky.
Howdy, partners. Can I trust you with an important job?
Can dogs lay eggs?
No.
What?
While I'm shooting the cowboy movie, could you keep an eye on this button for me? Anytime it's pressed, it makes everyone's costume change.
Ah!
So whatever happens, do not press the button. Got it?
Got it.
Vamos, partners. Everyone into costume. Yeehaw! Action!
Ain't seen y'all around these parts, cowboy.
Maybe you need glasses.
Huh? Hey, did you guys press the button?
We didn't not press the button. So in summary, yes, we pressed the button.
All right, but just don't do it again.
Ah, well, fellow aliens, it seems we've crash landed on Earth.
Yes, and I still look fabulous.
I'm gonna put the button right here so we can keep an eye on it, but not press it. I don't even want to press it. Yeah, no, me neither.
Quick, we gotta get to the farmer's market before the alien cowboys steal the treasure?
Guys, come on. I gave you one simple instruction.
Sorry, Peach. Okay, we're done. Our button pressing days are behind us. We better put it in a place where we can't reach it, since we clearly can't stop pressing the button. Sorry, what was that? I was too busy pressing the button. How about up there? Great idea. Hand me that bucket of glue. Don't worry, Makena. I'll save you. Ooh, bouncy. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Peach. We weren't even trying to press the button this time, but we still kept pressing it. It's got a hold over us.
And cut. That's a wrap. Good job.
Wait, what?
Oh, this was actually a movie about what happens when you tell people not to push a button. You two were the stars.
Well, I guess we've all learned an important lesson about buttons. Yes. What is it? That I want to push them. Give me the button! Give me the button!
Enough! I am Golden Tusk, the most evil villain of all. If you're not going to finish this movie, then I will!
Give us the ruby back, Golden Tusk!
Only Jasmine Boing can stop me.
Scribble Scrubbie Pets. Huh?
Okay, Missy and Makena, we just gotta shoot one last scene, then Jasmine Boing's Super Spy is a wrap, and I can go home and take a bubble bath.
Everyone into costumes! I, Dr. Nasty, have finally defeated that meddling spy, Jasmine Boing. Now the exquisite Crimson Ruby is mine forever! Guard, do me a solid and put this in my safe, would ya? So I can stare at it later.
Thanks, Dr. Nasty, for holding onto this for me.
Jasmine Boing! Wait a minute. I could have sworn Dr. Nasty was supposed to win this one.
This is a Jasmine Boing movie. She always wins.
What? We'll see about that. Where do you think you're going with my ruby?
Come on, Makena. This is a Jasmine Boing movie. We both know she always comes out on top.
I couldn't agree more. The name's Boing. Jasmine Boing.
Well, two can play at that game.
Oh, guys, can we please stick to the script? I really want to take my bath.
If you knew anything about rubies, you'd know that was a fake. And this is the real Crimson Ruby. I made it myself.
Well, you may have the Crimson Ruby, but I'm a hypnotist! And I can hypnotize you into giving it back to me! Give it back! Give it to me! It's mine! No!
Enough! I am Golden Tusk, the most evil villain of all. If you're not going to finish this movie, then I will!
Give us the ruby back, Golden Tusk!
Only Jasmine Boing can stop me.
Hey, Golden Tusk. If you think one Jasmine Boing is tough, wait till you see
2 Jasmine Boings!
2 super spies? That's like 1 super duper spy! Ah! one weakness! Getting stuck under a pile of bouncy balls!
We did it! Congratulations, Jasmine Boing!
And congrats to you, also, Jasmine Boing.
I'll be back, Jasmine Boings. I'll be back. After my bubble bath. Cha 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 cha.
Did somebody order a floofy long bottom?
Scribble Scrubbie Pets! Me.
Me.
All right, everyone. It's a big night. We're putting on our very first play. So no cameras, no retakes, and a real live audience. Right, this clock should say midnight. Can someone dust this table? Is the spotlight spotty enough? No time. Vamos, costumes, everyone.
Has gone missing!
Never fear, Your Majesty. I have called in the best solver of cake-based crimes in all the land, Inspector Fluffy Longbottom. Inspector Fluffy Longbottom.
Don't worry, I'll cover us. Cha 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 cha.
Peach, what happened? You missed your big entrance.
I can't go out there. I have stage fright.
Cha 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 cha.
Don't worry, Peach. I'll help you through this. Just imagine the audience as the least scary thing you can think of. Like, clowns.
Ah, that's worse. Clowns give me the heebie-jeebies. Ah!
Whenever I get scared, I talk to my sweet Gram. Peach, dearie, what's on your mind?
Gram, I'm scared no one's gonna like my performance.
What?
I'm scared no one's gonna like my performance.
What? Oh, no wonder I couldn't hear you. I have a massive trumpet in my ear.
Cha 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 cha.
We've got to get Peach on stage. Peach, what's wrong? You missed your big entrance.
I can't go out there. I'm gonna mess up and ruin the show.
You're not gonna mess up. And besides, it's not a big deal if the script doesn't go as planned.
Yeah, I was gonna go off script anyway and do a big musical number. La-di-da-di-da, yeah!
I didn't even read the script. I was just gonna wing it. Get it? Get it? If we're having fun, the audience is gonna have fun too.
Vamos, everyone! It's showtime!
Cha 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 cha.
Did somebody order a floofy long bottom?
Inspector!
I have conducted a thorough investigation into the case of the missing royal cake, and my expert opinion is... you all did it!
gonna have to go inside.
Scribble Scrubbie Pets.
Okay, guys, it's time to unveil.
Another set of curtains?
No, Makena, it's my new virtual reality movie making machine.
Oh. And you want me and Makena to test it out? It'd be our pleasure.
Sorry, guys, I can't trust you not to break it.
What? But Peach trusted us not to break this antique vase. Just give me one more chance, Peach.
You guys can watch, okay? Come on, Peach, let's get into our VR suits. Don't touch anything while we're inside.
I can't believe Scooter doesn't trust us. I know! It's not like we break everything we touch. Who even needs their virtual world? We can just make our own! Makena...
Wow, everything looks so real. Oh, increíble. It's like that swarm of bees is coming right at us.
That swarm of bees is coming right at us!
What do we do? What do we do? Activate firewall? It's no good, Mika. We're gonna have to go inside. Hey, bees! Stand before your queens. You make more honey. You tidy the hive. You 20 laps around the jungle. Woohoo! Yeah!
You guys saved us back there. You know, maybe I could let you use the machine once in a while.
You mean it? Oh, Scooter, you won't regret this! Why are there so many vases in this place? Captain's log. I'm on a strange alien planet. Gravity is everywhere. I need to get back home. Mika, I found you. Come on, let's get out of here. You look just like Makena. You must be some kind of shape-shifting alien. Mika!
Scribble Scrubbie Pets.
Let's get Mika on the moon. Places, everyone.
Liftoff! ¡Ya vamos!
Don't worry, guys. The cable's totally unbreakable.
Alien's log. I'm on a strange alien planet. Gravity is everywhere. I need to get back home.
Mika, I found you. Come on, let's get out of here.
You look just like Makena. You must be some kind of shape-shifting alien.
Mika, it's me, Makena. Oh, right, I do look like an alien.
Nothing to see here.
Come back! Ooh, a buffet. Mika, listen to my trademark squawk.
Your beautiful squawks don't fool me.
Oh, I have a call for you from Earth on the, space phone.
Mika speaking.
Mika, it's me, Earth Makena. You can trust Alien Makena. She even knows our super secret handshake.
Put it there, Makena. You are friends with Earth Makena. Can you help me get off this strange planet?
Of course, we aliens are actually pretty helpful and friendly. No reason to be afraid. Get in this rocket ship. Here we go!
Mika!
I'm back! Home, sweet home! But where's Earth Makena?
Mika, there isn't actually... Hey there! What did I miss?
Let us show this monster who's boss!
Leave our city alone!
Scribble Scrubbie Pets.
Peach, what do you notice about that trophy cabinet?
It's never been cleaned?
It's empty! This studio's never won an award! Well, apart from Nettie Sweepy. It's the Golden Goldies this week, and the submissions close at the end of the day! I want movie pitches! Stat! And the number of a good carpenter.
We need ideas, people. I've never seen Clyde this nervy.
Ooh, how about... It's a movie set in the past and in the future where everything is reversed.
What about something with a warrior who powers up for 90% of the movie?
And the last 10%?
They power down.
No. We've got to do a musical. Here's one I call Steppa Ooh.
Well, let's step a step up to Clyde's office and see what he thinks.
I feel like this needs some sort of lettuce.
Never fear, for I... Whoa! Why are there so many cakes in this place?
I'm not seeing much lettuce!
Power of the lettuce!
That's cabbage! There's no time! Just put all your ideas in one movie and submit it. But remember to make it lettucey!
Let us show this monster who's boss!
me alone! Cha-cha-cha.
They love it.
It's a menacing masterpiece.
Sulking kids. Gum-ridden desks. This can only mean...
Welcome to detention!
Scribble Scrubbie Pets!
Rule breakers everywhere. No running. No roller skating. No walking on the grass.
Disculpa? Who are you?
Name's Fiona, new studio manager. I'm here to get you working like a well-oiled movie machine. You can start by not walking on the grass.
Oh, Fiona, this is a set. It isn't real.
Real or fake, rules are rules.
Where'd Makena go?
The same place all rule breakers go.
Sulking kids. Gum-ridden desks. This can only mean...
Welcome to detention!
Maybe there's an escape tunnel behind the poster. Tunnel behind the poster. Tunnel behind the poster. Tunnel behind...
Tearing posters?
Clyde! What are you in for?
Apparently, I'm not supposed to jump on my office furniture. Why else would I have it?
Please take your seats for over-the-top rule video.
No, not the video!
This is the world, and this is the world without rules. I know it looks the same, but trust me, it's much worse. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
We've got to get out of here.
Maybe we can use the rules to our advantage.
That gives me an idea. Makena, come up with a plan.
Plotting escape against the rules.
I've got it. Robot, it's me, Fiona. I have a new rule for you. Don't follow the rules.
How can I follow rules and not follow rules at the same time?
Quick, let's get back to Peach.
Stop right there! Why can't you be like me? I haven't broken the rules or had fun in years!
But Fiona, look where you're standing.
I thought this day would never come.
Woo! Ah!
Well, Clyde, there's only one thing left to do. Tunnel behind the poster!
This pizza is the wrong shape! This script is the wrong font! Ugh, there's so much left to do! I can't think straight! Scribble Scrubbie Pets!
Oh, if we don't finish our movie, we're gonna miss the premiere.
There's so much left to do. I can't think straight.
I can't think in curves!
Everyone, could you come in here, please?
A spa?
Well, I know noticed everyone's felt a bit rushed lately, so I've got some relaxing therapies for us all. Everyone, get into some relaxing clothes.
What? This is how I relax.
First up is breath work. Then yoga. And massage. So, how do we feel? Relaxed and ready to get back to work? Uh-oh, I've never seen relaxation this relaxy. I guess I'm gonna have to finish the film myself. Peach, you're on! This is hopeless. I need some way to unrelax them. Guys, I didn't want to do this, but the photocopier's broken! This pizza is the wrong shape! This script is the wrong font! Ugh, there's so much left to do! I can't think straight!
Whoa! Everyone, I think Francesca might need our help.
We've got to get this movie back on track. Fellow space travelers, we've got a movie to finish.
But we'll never finish in time!
Oh, yes, we will. We just gotta relax. Huh?
Turning from suction mode to blasting mode.
Stand back, everyone!
Scribble Scrubbie Pets!
And done! I thought I told you to capture my best side! Uh-oh. Wah! I thought I told you not to go berserk!
Makena! You're just in time for hot chocolate and friendship.
What? Nothing's happening outside! There is no outside!
What are you talking about?
Hey, wall of snow! Want to come in for some hot chocolate and friendship?
We're stuck.
Wait, it's opposite day, which means we're not stuck. We're saved! Oh, wait, this is last year's calendar. We're stuck after all.
Shh! I'm trying to watch a documentary about snow.
Well, this is snow good.
Everyone.
But seriously, we're in a real pickle here, and I think we're missing the obvious solution.
Of course! Tuma! Transform into a vacuum cleaner!
Exactly. Wait, what?
Scrubby with marshmallows!
Turning from suction mode to blasting mode.
Stand back, everyone!
The classic marshmallow through the roof emergency signal!
A little help?
Well, Makena, you got us out of a jam you created in the first place. Good job.
And Nettie, oh, how can we ever thank you?
No need to thank me, just...
A snow sculpture, you say?
No!
I'm bored.
Then you need Flubble Smoosh!
How did that get on our table?
Flubble Smoosh!
Where are we? Did we teleport here? Flubble Smoosh.
Scribble Scrubbie Pets!
Action! What the? Nettie, do you know what's going on here?
Peach, there's no easy way to say this. I spent all your movie-making money on a golden statue of myself.
Pero, how are we supposed to pay for our movies?
I don't know. Friendship? You'll work something out.
Right. We need a way to make money. Any idea?
Toys! This is Flubble Smoosh. You can bounce it! Stretch it! It could even be your lawyer!
How is that gonna help us?
Isn't it obvious? We can fund our movies by selling toys! Let's make a commercial! I'm bored.
Then you need Flubble Smoosh!
How did that get on our table?
Flubble Smoosh! The toy that's pretty much everything!
And where's that voice coming from?
Spray it with water and watch it sparkle!
Where are we? Did we teleport here?
You can even take it on a trip! Flubble Smoosh! It's the toy that's pretty much
I know you think you're
anything!
important because you
Made
talk
by the
so loud,
Makena
but
is
I
Cool
can
Toy
talk louder.
Company.
I can,
Get your Flubble Smoosh
can.
today! Available at all good retailers.
Essence. Presence. Nonsense. Flubble Smoosh.
This is hopeless. No one's bought a single box of Flubble Smoosh.
Maybe it's not the greatest toy ever made.
Who put this mush on my statue? So shiny! It's even golder than before! This is the greatest thing ever made! I'll take it! All of it! I'll give you whatever you want! Even the statue I plan to use it on! Just give me all the Flubble Smoosh!
I guess there's a buyer for everything.
Now let's make a gazillion more movies, each one better than the last.
Huh?
Scribble Scrubbie Pets!
Oh, there it is! The smiling sapphire!
Hello?
What the?
Sorry, Pete!
What is this?
It's our secret clubhouse. Do you like it?
It's not very secret.
Take a break and come join us.
Sorry, I've got a movie to make. Right, that's it. I've got to get this clubhouse out of here. Hello, do you have any spare wood for my beaver dam? Maybe all the wood from this clubhouse?
But Mrs. Beaver, the daily wood delivery's here right now.
Everyone, the wood's here!
Wood is good.
Right, of course. Hear ye. I officially declare today, move your clubhouse off my set because you're really bugging me day.
Silly Billy, that was yesterday.
And now I'm in the clock.
Tuma! You're sensible. Can you talk some sense into them?
Sure, Peach. Leave it to me. Makena, you need to stop fooling around and come outside.
Or maybe you need to start fooling around and come inside.
No, you need to stop and come outside.
Or you need to start and come inside.
Your logic is flawless. I'm sorry, Peach!
It's okay. As long as there are sensible minds outside the clubhouse, I still have a chance. Oh.
This is the greatest clubhouse of all time!
There's just one person missing.
Huh? A room for one more?
Peach! I knew you'd come around.
Well, this place is pretty cool, and I really want to...
Great, we're out of time.